Emerging technologies. Not only are they key to helping our customers build a better world, they play a critical role in our profitable growth. As a global leader, it's our goal to offer more than great products, but solutions that go beyond the iron. At Caterpillar, the sale is just the beginning when it comes to supporting customers. Aftermarket enabling technologies help our customers drive efficiency and cost savings throughout the entire life cycle of our products. Partner with them to help them run an effective job site that features improved operator productivity, lower operating costs, and autonomous solutions for greater efficiency. That's why we focus on developing technologies that provide a range of features, from operator assist to full autonomous operation. Electrification technologies allow us to electrify traditional power systems that convert energy mechanically. The potential impact of this technology is far-reaching. It will help us significantly decrease owning and operating costs across our product lines. Whether they own one Cat product or a fleet of thousands, we use advanced analytics and big data to help our customers manage and monitor their assets. These technologies focus on telematics to help them work more efficiently, profitably, and safely. The technologies we develop are important, but how we develop them is just as critical. With efficient product development processes and tools, we ensure the highest quality and fast-paced innovation. This gets our products into the hands of the customers who need them and allows us to continuously assess and improve the organization's overall technical competency in our existing and future technology portfolios. At Caterpillar, our passion for our customers drives our technology strategy. We research and invest in emerging technologies that help our customers work safer, easier, and more efficiently. That passion transforms the way our customers experience Cat machines and provides the data, tools, and solutions they expect and need to build a better world.